Today we have one passive and one active strategy. This is how much I've got with these, and if you follow the video, you will be able to get the same. So let's go. Pay close attention and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Here you can see the total payout. It is a new strategy, guys, and it got a lot of these cryptos. You can see as well that it works in every country out there, so you can get that crypto, guys, wherever you live. It's a nice strategy right now. It's a good time, so I highly recommend that you try this one out. Also, you can do this one on your mobile phone. So just imagine that you can lay on your couch and get paid. How about that? But first of all, guys, we will need a wallet for this strategy. And there are really a lot of those wallets out there. You can get this Atomic wallet, you can get this Koinomi wallet, you can use Binance, Coinbase, blockchain.com even, or this Exodus wallet, which I really like. I use it all the time. You can get it on desktop, on mobile, and they have such a good ratings. Just look at on Google Play, 4.5 out of 5. App Store is crazy as well. It is really good wallet with such a good ratings, guys. 4.6 out of 5. I really like it because when I exchange the crypto, they don't take a lot of fees. I really like that. I can save some money. And if you go on Trustpilot to see 2.4 thousand ratings, 4.2 out of 5. But of course, guys, if you are a beginner, I have one strategy for you, and it's really good. You can go on bitcoin.org, and these guys will ask you some questions. So click on choose your wallet and click on next, and now you have 4 questions, 4 simple questions. What's your operating system? The first one, click on Windows if you use that, click on next, and then how much do you know about Bitcoin? So just be honest, guys, with them. If you are a beginner, click on new and then click on next. Of course, the third question is which criteria are important to you. So just choose fees, guys, because you don't want to waste money on those fees. Fees are bad and you lose money that way. And the last question here is gonna be what features are you looking for? So 2-factor authentication, scroll down, click on next, and then you will be recommended this Electrum wallet. It is a really good wallet. You can search for it online. It is a really good wallet which is perfect for beginners. So now that we have that, we can proceed and get that crypto, guys. Nothing is stopping us now, guys. We get the money. This is the website in question. It is called bitcointora.online, and you have this video right here to watch it. But if you want answers, this is why Bitcoin miners script. bitcointora.online. It is super easy to use, guys. No waiting around. Bitcoin is coming to you fast. And you can get a whole Bitcoin, guys, $21,000 right now. Just imagine that. And you have these instant daily payouts, which are very good, guys. It takes only 10 to 30 minutes. So with these guys, you'll never have to wait again. Never. And just take a look at this, guys. You can do this from wherever you live on the planet. There are a lot of users already here. And of course, it's gonna be super fast speed. Super fast speed, guys. Super fast speed for that super money. You can get Ethereum as well. So right away, when you come to Bitcoin Tour Online, click on Start Mining, and then you're gonna be redirected here. So you can choose here Bitcoin or Ethereum, whatever you want, guys. Just click on that, enter your Bitcoin address as I already did, and then select the amount of Bitcoin you want to mine. Guys, you can select how much you want to mine. It is all up to you. For example, I can choose the whole Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin. Go and get it, guys. Start, click on Start, and now just check your address before confirming, guys. That's all that you have to do. And of course, guys, if you enjoy our content, also subscribe. Thank you. And now you just click on Confirm button, and that's it. Your wallet is ready to take that Bitcoin, and from now on, it's just profits. You can see right here when you do that, you will start this mining process, guys. It's gonna do all on its own. Just leave this. This is now your passive income, and we can proceed to make one active, but just take a look at this, guys. Each few seconds, you will have this notification here saying that you have won 0.03 Bitcoin right now. If we go to see how much that is right now, you can just scroll and you can just tap in that number, so 0.03. Just take a look at this, $600 already sent to my account. My wallet is filling up. $600, guys, 600 bucks right away. I told you this was gonna be profitable, guys. It is very easy. You just leave this open now. You have this payment proofs, but you don't care. You get the money. 600 bucks like each 10 seconds. It's crazy. And with the price Bitcoin has right now, it is awesome. So now just leave this open and we go to another step. While that Bitcoin Tour Online is mining, go to freecash.com. guys. If you find it on Trustpilot, you will have everything that you need to know. 18,000 reviews, 4.6 out of 5. I made a lot of money with this. They already paid out $13 million to users, and the comments here on Trustpilot are just amazing, guys. 4 and 5 stars all the way. People are in love with this website. Good site to earn some extra cash. Now they have this information here saying that average money earned by users is $19 per day. Now if you work just like that normal person, just that average person, and you do that for 30 days in a month, now that's $600 for you each month, guys. Each month you get $600. And just take a look at this, guys. This earn option, you have some featured offers, you have some offer walls, surveys, there is a lot to do. And just take a look at these cash out options, guys. PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. You can even get yourself Netflix subscription. But of course, guys, I recommend taking Bitcoin. When you get that money, click on Bitcoin, just enter your wallet address in here like myself, enter the coin amount and click on withdraw. Your wallet is gonna thank you and you're gonna be satisfied just like these people are. Just look at this one. I absolutely love using free cash and it's really good website, guys. These tasks are so easy. You can get $600 per month and just take a look at this. If you are the most active during one day, you will get $500 daily, guys. You will split that with first $250 and that's how free cash rewards your activity. It's a really good website which offers you a lot of earning opportunities. And just take a look at this. There is even 2.5 thousand monthly reward, guys. So they just give out money like it's crazy. It's just crazy. They even got these rewards. And on the events like Thanksgiving or Halloween, they have special events. They also have this daily bonus ladder which gives you some free money as well. There is this 7-day streak rewards. And of course there is referral program, but just take a look at this. If you download their app from Google Play, you get some money for that as well. And just take a look at the ratings on Google Play, guys. 4.7 out of 5. I mean, there is something really going on with this website. People are truly making money on this website, and that is the reason why they have such a good rating. I mean, just look at these comments. Look at the rating on Trustpilot, 4.6. They must have been doing something right. And the good thing is that they have 17 minutes and 16 seconds until user makes his first cash out, guys. So if you join now and you start doing those tasks, in 17 minutes you are able to get your first cash out. It's an amazing option, guys. Really good website with a lot of cash out options, really easy tasks, and a lot of money is in here. $600 per month, guys. And you can choose your way of payment. It is your choice. You can even get these PayPal cards as well. But of course, I would recommend crypto because the crisis is over, guys. It's just gonna go up. It's just in the green. Just look at this. Each of these cryptos is in the green of the last 7 days, so that's promising. This is some passive income which is already doing it, and on free cash you have some active cash. So use it, put it to good use because it's a very good website. Actually, this is the most legit website out there, guys, so I highly recommend that you give it a try and you use their advantages. Go out there, guys, take some action, and I'll catch you later.